What do you think about this bunny? Let's try it. Kind of comes out real cool. Look at that. It's very smooth. It's a really smooth, thick. It's like a heavy, thick bunny. This thing feels like if you got hit in the head with this thing, you wouldn't be happy. You'd be in pain. I mean, that's hitting my knuckle. That's solid. The bunny. Ooh, I'm the bunny. All right. It said it was filled with peanuts. But to me, that seems more like chocolate. Oh. Well, it's tasty nonetheless. It's a good bunny. I got this at Aldi. Have a good day.